Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee. Today we're going to talk about raw hem jeans. Raw hem jeans are all the rage now. Some people love it and some people don't. There are so many different ways to wear them. You can wear them casually or you can wear them very dressy. I love raw hem jeans. I think they're fun. I sometimes feel like I look a little goofy with them, but once I dress them up, I'm totally fine. Put on a pair of heels and you're good to go. They always end up doing the same thing. You put them in the wash and they just start getting all thread-like and messy looking. Sometimes they get a little more frayed at the ends and people don't want to wear them after a few washes. If you like to wear it a little bit on the neater side, I have a trick for you. It's really not that hard. All you need is a pair of raw hem jeans and a pair of scissors. Pull the threads down and just cut right underneath the hem. You can do all around or just a few pieces if you want. I like these to be really neat on these jeans because they look kind of fancy. And voila! Look how fabulous they look now. Trends change. It could be 6 months or a year and then the raw hem's not going to be in style anymore. But you know what? You can just take them to the tailors and have them hemmed up and we're back to new jeans again. Hope you enjoyed the first chapter of my tips and tricks and stay tuned for some more in coming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. And then do the ding. Bye! Take 2.